my channel. Today I'm filming such an exciting video. I have wanted to film this video for a couple weeks now, but I just wanted to really gather my thoughts, get everything put together for it. So I'm so excited to finally be sharing this with you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing basically how to manifest your dream life, how to manifest anything you want, how to literally attract anything, any goal, any dream, anything like that into your life. Basically, I started learning all about manifestation and everything back in January. One of my really good friends, and basically me and my friend were just in Starbucks and she was sharing all of her own personal experiences about manifestation and how she's attracted all this into her life, and I was like, wait a second. Sometimes you hang out with people or you have a conversation with someone and you're like, I think I was meant to be in this situation, having this conversation with you at this specific time. Like, everything just kind of made sense. My outlook and my attitude and just everything, my mindset on life has completely altered and completely changed. So first, obviously, if you are just confused and you've never heard of manifestation, what is manifestation? Basically, it just means to bring or attract something into your life. So pretty much your thoughts become reality, and whether we are aware of it or not, we are constantly manifesting things in our lives and around us, good or bad. And this is why it is so important to be aware and conscious of your thoughts, because you're sitting there and you're having negative thoughts about something, you're going to attract and manifest negative experiences into your life without you even realizing. Like I said, it is crazy when you shift your mindset to become positive, become grateful, and you will just start to not only realize the really good things that you have surrounding you already, but also start to attract and bring into your life more amazing things and more positive experiences. Just to summarize that, if you're still confused, is the energy and the vibration that you are giving off into the universe or the world, and that will ultimately attract back the same vibration or energy. So if you're putting out good energy, you'll get good energy. If you're putting out negative bad energy, you'll get negative bad energy. What I'm personally aware of, I have manifested two things into my life. One of the things I definitely manifested a lot harder than the other. I was still manifesting the one, and my intention was still there. I basically started manifesting both of these things the day that I had this conversation with my friend. Over time they happened and I was like, oh my god, like, it is because I manifested it. And if you guys believe this or not, I wholeheartedly believe that this literally changes your life. When you start thinking this way about things and everything around you, become more aware of all the positive things around you. If you're always so negative, you're only gonna see the negative things and experiences in your life. When you focus on the positive, you start to realize that there are a lot of good things around you, and then because you're giving that energy out, more and more positive and happy and good experiences and thoughts and energies come towards you because you're attracting that same energy. So you've probably gotten to this point and you're like, Amy, this sounds great, but how do I do it? Honestly, not hard at all. And like I said, the two things that I've consciously manifested, the things I really didn't put a lot of thought or effort into it. I literally just wrote it in my notes of my phone and look at it and be like, yeah, I really want that. It's really not that hard at all. And I think that is why some people are so skeptical and they just aren't interested in the whole manifestation, law of attraction, all of that stuff, because they think it's time consuming. And let me tell you, it is not at all. It's simply your mindset, your energy, and your vibration. Just touching on the vibration part, literally think how many people say good vibes, good vibes, good vibrations. Good vibrations bring good experiences, good things. Like I said, it is not hard at all. I'm just gonna explain to you guys basically how to utilize the law of attraction and how to manifest. Okay, so the first step, pretty self-explanatory. Figure out what exactly you want to manifest and attract into your life. I personally recommend taking an afternoon or part of a day, a couple hours, just to sit with your own thoughts, and you can either journal, you can write in the notes app on your phone, which is what I did to start off with, or what I find so therapeutic is going on Pinterest and just scrolling. You can make a vision board, a dream board, a mood board, whatever you would like to call it, but going on Pinterest and just looking through things. Everyone's goals, everyone's dreams are up to them, obviously. You want to definitely figure out what you want in your life, what you want to attract, what you want to manifest. Maybe you're starting a new project and you want it to go really well. Maybe you're starting a YouTube channel and you want to get a ton of views, or you want to get your channel to be monetized, or maybe you want to get into your dream school, or there's just so many things. So figure out and specify exactly what you want. I would recommend just starting off with one thing so you can solely focus on that, and then once you've manifested that first thing, it will just be a knock-on effect, and then you can easily manifest the rest. Okay, so next you guys want to visualize. Visualization is literally incredible. I visualize and do a visualization meditation. Oh my god, I am in this next state of calm, relaxation, but also, again, I'm putting out that good energy into the universe and hopefully attracting it back. Like I said, I've done most of my visualization through meditation. I'll link down below the meditation that I use, Luca Whitaker's meditation. She did a whole video on law of attraction and manifestation, and she shared her meditation, so I'll link hers down below. Or if you don't want to meditate, you can literally just lay in bed at the end of the night and just close your eyes, and when you're trying to fall asleep, visualize this dream and your goal and what you want to attract. Now, let me just point this out. When you're trying to visualize this, you want to be so specific. I was actually listening to Tori DeSimone's podcast, which is called Manifest by Tori DeSimone. I'll have that link down below too. Super great resource if you're trying to learn about this stuff. She was talking about visualization and attracting your goals, and she said how you have to get so specific. So she's like, okay, you want to manifest a really nice house. What does the inside of the house look like? What do the kitchen cabinets look like? Like, get so specific. The smell of the house. Is there a specific candle burning? What car is sitting out on the driveway? What street are you on? What does the outside of the house look like? What does your bedroom in that house look like? Like, you want to get so specific. Really just visualize that experience. You can almost feel that you're in that situation. When you do the meditation, it is honestly crazy because you really do feel like you're in that specific point. So for example, if you guys have watched some of my other videos, you know that I am transferring universities for this upcoming school year. So from the day I started applying to new schools, I knew ultimately what school I wanted to end up at. So what I would do is, when I was doing this meditation, I would picture myself logging into the portal and seeing the congratulations on your offer of admission message. And then I would just understand and really try to feel out my emotions in that specific situation. I remember I would visualize it, and I was like sitting at my desk and I was opening it and I was like, oh my god, like this is crazy, and I was running to tell my parents. Like, you just want to honestly feel like you're in that specific situation. Let me tell you, I did get into that school and I'm so excited, and when I opened it, I was like, oh my god, this is the exact emotion, exact feeling that I manifested, and it is crazy. If you guys think this is all a bunch of woo-woo and you think I'm like on something talking about all of this, until you try it yourself, because after you've tried it yourself, you will be like, this is crazy, like crazy stuff. So affirmations are so important because basically they're putting out into the universe supporting thoughts and messages that will ultimately back up your manifestation. They're also teaching your brain a new way to think about things, which is what I touched on before, like the whole change of mindset. When you're saying these things out loud, you tend to believe them over time, especially when you say it over and over and over again. And that's why affirmations are so important. The whole thing of the law of attraction and manifesting is basically what you put out into the universe is what you'll receive back. So when you're putting out these affirmations, saying things such as like, I am a money magnet, I am successful, I work so hard every day, I'm so proud of myself, my YouTube channel is full of success, I am working with incredible brands and doing fantastic collaborations, etc. and etc. Just simple phrases that you want to put out into the world and ultimately happen for yourself. Now, if you guys are stuck looking for some affirmations, or you just kind of lost where to get started, I would honestly, I'm the biggest promoter of Pinterest ever. Pinterest, if you ever want to sponsor me, hit a girl up. Go on Pinterest and just type in affirmations and you will see so many. I love just scrolling on there and just reading some of them because they're so inspiring, and then some of them I add to my daily affirmations. Okay, so next, you guys want to be grateful for everything in your life right now. Yes, you're trying to attract these dreams and goals and bigger things in your life, but you're only going to receive that if you're grateful for what you have right now. Take a step back and just think of 10 things right now in your life that you are grateful for, whether that's your friends, your family, your job, the roof over your head, not having to worry about where your next meal comes from. Literally, there's so many things to be grateful for. When you really take a step back and can see and understand all the good in your life, you'll really be able to see that there is so much to be grateful for. It's really important to wake up every day and think of at least 5 things that you're grateful for. I think that this starts your day off on such a good note because you're in that really happy mindset and you're already attracting that good energy from the moment you wake up. Even if you have an insane, crazy, busy, stressful day ahead of yourself, say you're gonna be really busy at work. Now wake up and say, I'm so grateful and so happy that I have this job and this income to be able to support myself. Things like that, like just try to turn negative into a positive. When you get to the point where you can shift your mindset that dramatically, you literally have the capability to do and manifest anything. So yeah, that is my video for today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is something I'm super passionate about, but obviously this is just scraping the surface. With everything, I still have a lot more to learn. If you guys know anything about manifestation or law of attraction and you guys want to share anything, please leave it in the comments down below. I would love to hear it. Or if this is your first time learning about manifestation, let me know down below. I would also just love to hear your take on it and kind of how you feel about everything. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you could subscribe. I'm uploading 3 times a week in the month of June, so you guys don't want to miss those videos. And also, if you guys could give this video a thumbs up, it really supports me and helps my channel grow, so I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video on Thursday. Bye!